I'm Atul. I'm working with Creative Group, which is a part of a Bombay-based company, and I'm looking after the yarns division. And this office here in Montessa is only specifically for yarns, and I'm basically looking after the entire marketing of yarns division. I think Montessa is one of the best commercial buildings in Surat at this point. हम लोग का काम टोटली एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेड रहता है एंड टू मैच with the kind of work that we are doing, I feel Montessa is one of the best buildings that I can actually look for at this point. I think infrastructure-wise, Montessa is one of the better ones, especially when you see the amenities of this building, wherein like you have seminar hall, conference hall, automated elevators, and special entry gates, special lifts for directors, and like a very good entrance and all that. It gives a very good impression when a buyer or any stakeholders who would want to meet us would enter this building. So एक बहुत अच्छा impression मिलेगा अगर कोई Montessa brand से मिलना आता है. Rajhans is one of the most reputed builders in this city. Lately, we all know that most of the builders are not performing up to their expectations, but Rajhans on the other hand, despite all these challenges due to COVID and all that, have stood by what they have committed. And जितना उन्होंने promise किया उससे ज़्यादा ही deliver किया है. And I hope this group maintains their reputation like this. Thank you so much, I would say, to Rajhans Group for delivering something that is very state of the art. We did not expect this kind of infrastructure in Surat, especially what we see in the other part of the Surat, where like textile part. Nobody expects something like this to be here. तो काफी अच्छा लगा जो भी ओपनिंग में भी आए थे ऑफिस के एंड द वीडियोस दैट वी हैव शोन टू ऑल आवर क्लाइंट्स अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. दे हैव एक्चुअली अप्रिशिएटेड द काइंड ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दैट वी हैव हियर. कहीं से ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि ये इंडिया की बिल्डिंग है और लाइक सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा ये ऑफिस का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. सो थैंक यू सो मच राजेश.